I'm Keith, and I'm a technician here at KenGanley Kia of Boardman, and I'm about to do a multi-point inspection on this 2019 Forte.
Maintaining the longevity of your vehicle, well, that requires more than just reacting to dashboard lights. At KenGanleyKiaBoardman, we provide a comprehensive multi-point inspection to identify minor wear before it escalates into costly repair. When we lift the hood, we evaluate the vital fluids and mechanical components such as engine oil, coolant, air filters, belts, and cooling system hoses that power your daily commute. Beyond the engine, we conduct a rigorous evaluation of the chassis and safety components like axles and powertrain, steering system, suspension system including subframes and bushings, and exhaust system. The final phase of the multi-point inspection focuses on the critical contact points between your vehicle and the road, your tires and brakes. We measure the brake pads so you know how much friction material remains, and examine the brake rotors for grooving that can wear your pads faster, and signs of warping and hot spots that can cause vibration and noise when stopping. Measuring your tire tread depth and proper inflation of the tires ensures your tires provide safe handling, long life, and optimal fuel economy. To discuss your specific maintenance needs, feel free to call us at 234-719-4832. Again, that's 234-719-4832 to schedule an appointment today.